Hi students, welcome to Math4U. Today we are going to discuss about trigonometry of class 10, that is part 2. Okay, so make sure you have seen part 1 before entering part 2. Okay, so let's get started. So the first question we are going to do in this session is this one from exercise 8.1. Okay, let us see the question first. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeters, BC is equal to 7 centimeters. We have to find out, the first question is sine A, and we have to find out cos A. Second part, sine C and cos C. So for this, let us draw a right angled triangle. So this is a right angled triangle. You can see right angled at B as given in the question. So A, B, C is a triangle and which is right angled at B. And the measurements are also given. AB is equal to 24 centimeters. So this is 24 centimeters and BC you can see as 7 centimeters. But we don't know what is AC, right? It is not given in the question. So we have to find out AC. How? Then before going to that, let me ask you, what is AC for this triangle? Can we say it is a hypotenuse? Yes, very good. So this is opposite to the right angle B, and we can say that this is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So how can we find out the hypotenuse of a right triangle? We have learned that in the previous classes as well, right? So we have to apply Pythagoras theorem here, right? Yes. So what is Pythagoras theorem? In a right triangle, we can say that hypotenuse square will be equal to base square plus altitude square, right? So in this case, let us see what is hypotenuse. We know that is AC square, that is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, now we are going to substitute the values. We have AB and BC, right? So that is equal to 24 square plus BC is 7 square, right? So 24 square, you know, that is 576 and 7 is 49, 7 square, okay? That much centimeter square. This is what is called the AC square. So how can we find out AC from this? Yes, AC can be found out by taking the root of whatever we got after adding this. After adding this, we will get 625 centimeter square. So root of 625, we will get 25 centimeters. So AC we got it as 25 centimeters, right? So let us write AC over there. Here it is 25 centimeters. I hope you understood how we got 25. Yes. So let us see the first part of this question. What we have to find out. We have to find out sine A as well as cos A. Here comes what we have learned in the previous class. So sine of an angle A. What is the formula and how can we find out it? So sine of an angle, I am going to write here sine of angle theta. Let it be an angle theta. And how can we find out? Yes, opposite side of angle theta divided by what we can say, opposite side of angle theta by hypotenuse, right? Very good. And what is cos of an angle theta? That is adjacent side of angle theta divided by hypotenuse. Can we apply the same here? Yes, of course, right? So first we have to find out what is the opposite and adjacent of this triangle with respect to angle A, because we have to find out here angle A, right? So with respect to angle A, opposite of angle A is what? That is BC. Very good. So this is the opposite side and this will be the adjacent side. So now it is very easy for you to do the rest. So we are going to find out sine of angle A. What is sine of angle A? As we have seen here, that is side opposite to angle A divided by hypotenuse. Right, very good. Which is a side opposite to angle A? We have already discussed about it. That is BC. BC by AC. What is BC? The value of BC is 7 and AC is our hypotenuse, that is 25. So this is the answer for sine A. So let us see now what is cos A. Okay. So we have seen cos of an angle theta as adjacent side of angle theta with respect to or divided by hypotenuse. So cos A will be equal to, how can we write, side adjacent to angle A divided by hypotenuse. So which is the side adjacent to angle A? This is what we have to find out next. That is already marked in the figure, that is AB, right? AB by the hypotenuse is AC. So AB is equal to 24 divided by 25. So this is the cos A of this triangle. Is it clear? Yes, very good. So let us move on to the second part of this question. Second part of the question is to find out sine C as well as cos C of the triangle. So first I am going to redraw the triangle here. So this is a triangle ABC, which is right angled at B as said in the question. And we had, which all sides we had? We have given with all the sides we have found out, right? So AB is equal to 24 centimeters we have, and BC is equal to 7 centimeter, and we found out AC as 25 centimeter. Here also, what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AC, opposite to the angle, right angle, that is here angle B. Now we are going to find out sine of which all angles? Sine of C and cos of C. So now we are giving priority to angle C, right? This C. Which will be the opposite side of this angle C? Yes, very good. This will come as the opposite, and now this is the adjacent side of angle C, right? So now we are going to find out the sine C. Okay, sine C will be equal to, we have discussed about the formula, right? Side opposite to angle C divided by, what is the denominator? Hypotenuse. Yes. So which is the side opposite to angle C? That is AB. We have marked in the figure as well. And hypotenuse, we know that is AC. So we are going to substitute the values for this. That is AB is equal to 24 and AC is equal to 25. So we got sine C as 24 by 25. Now we are moving ahead with cos C. So let us see how we can do the cos C. So cos C is equal to, the formula, side adjacent to angle C by hypotenuse, right? Which is a side adjacent to angle C? We have already marked here, that is BC. BC by hypotenuse is the same, that is AC. What is BC by AC? BC is equal to 7 centimeter as well as AC is equal to 25 centimeters. So this is the answer for cos C. And now today we have discussed about sine A, sine C and cos C of a right angled triangle. Given the values of AB and BC, we found out AC. So I hope it is clear for everyone. Thank you.